Never throw away your tangerine peel. Here's how to cure cough with it. We all love tangerines, right? Tangerines or mandarin oranges are a tasty and refreshing citrus fruit packed with many nutritious compounds, including flavonoids, vitamin C, vitamin A, folate and potassium. These healthful components contribute to the health of all parts of the body, from cell DNA to the bones and heart. Tangerines are comparable to oranges, but pack even more vitamin A and iron, and slightly less vitamin C. As in oranges, tangerines are valuable sources of flavonoid antioxidants like naringenin, narinine, hesperetin, vitamin A, carotenes, xanthines and luteins, in fact, several times higher than in the oranges. But, what about tangerine peels? A delicious addition to winter meals. Tangerine peels chase away mucus and ward off colds and flu with its antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. Most people throw away this part of their orange eating experience because they just aren't aware of how beneficial the orange peels are. If you eat oranges or another kind of citrus regularly, you can save the peels in a container in the fridge over the course of a week. Because citrus peels are loaded with vitamin C and pectin. Pectin, which is also abundant in apples, is a carbohydrate that feeds the beneficial bacterial in your gastrointestinal tract. You will need the following ingredients: 500 to 600 grams tangerine peel, 300 to 400 milliliters of water, 1 teaspoon salt, minus 350 grams sugar, minus 350 milliliters water. Sugar for rolling. Directions. First, you need to boil the tangerine peel. Boiling removes bitterness but also some of the flavor. Since much of the bitterness resides in the pith, you can remove the pith as well. Cover the peel with cold water, add 1 teaspoonful of salt and bring just to a boil, then drain. After that, you need to cook the peel in sugar syrup. Add 350 grains of sugar into 400 milliliters of water and bring the water and sugar mixture to a boil until the sugar has dissolved before reducing to a bare simmer and adding the peel. Cook the peel until it just begins to turn translucent, which can take as little as 30 minutes to as long as an hour. And now, you can toss the tangerine peel and granulated sugar. Use 2 forks to toss the peel and avoid a sticky mess. That's it. Spread the peel on a cooling rack for 2 hours or until dry, and store in an airtight container for a week on the counter or a month in the fridge. Enjoy your homemade tangerine candies. Thanks for reading and don't